Introduce highlight features and overview of YPaymore Collapsible Stool with strap. Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention, how it is. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Newly designed fish scale structure and modified industrial nylon PA material gives the camp stool remarkable strength and rigidity than other ordinary plastic stools. Capacity of resistance to tilt is stronger, making the folding stool more sturdy and durable. This foldable telescopic stool is only 2.54 pounds, with diameter 9.84 inches/250 mm and equipped with adjustable nylon strap, which makes the stool easy to carry in your hand or hanging on your shoulder. Collapses into a 9.8-inch x 2.5-inch disc for easy carry and storage. You can easily place it into your backpack, luggage, or cars. The retractable stool can be adjusted to the desired height from 3 up to 18 inches. 12 positions can be chosen according to your usage scenario. Benefiting from the special designed fish scale structure, collapsible tools stretching and collapsing becomes easier and more smoothly. You can open it by holding both ends and pulling to open with slight turning them, and it locks firmly in place once opened. Even a child can do it quickly and easily. Take it with you, you can sit anywhere. The portable telescopic stool can be used in any indoor and outdoor activity, like camping, fishing, outing, hiking, barbecuing, picnic, gardening and more. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.